Today's video I'll be showing you how to change the units in Microsoft Word from centimeters to inches, and also how to change it from inches to centimeters. Okay?
Here the margin is in centimeter. I'm going to show you now to change it to inches. So you have to go to File, going to come down to Options, then you're going to go to Advanced, and I'm going to scroll down, and here it says centimeters. It says show measurements in units of centimeters. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to change this to inches. I'm going to click OK. Then now, when we look, when we click this to give us a page setup, we can now see that we have it in inches. These little two symbols indicate that is inch, right? So you have 1 inch to the left, 1 inch to the right. So this is how you would change the margins to inches if your setup page setup dialog box was originally in centimeters, right? So if I want to go back and change it back to centimeters, I would come back again to File, Options, then you would choose under this options here would change to Advanced. Then we would scroll down until we see show measurements in units of centimeters. We click OK, and then now when we click here, we get the page up, and now it's now in centimeters.